Hi friends, today I'm going to be preparing 8 different varieties of pani for Pani Puri. I'm also going to be showing you a very simple Pani Puri filling with potatoes and black chickpeas. Now let's look into the ingredients and process and get started. The first pani that I'm going to be preparing is Asafoetida Pani. For that I'll be using Asafoetida, Chaat Masala, pepper powder, citric acid and black salt crystals. All these ingredients are very easily available at all supermarkets and all stores. Now I'm going to combine all these ingredients and add it to warm water and allow all the ingredients to steep in the warm water. So I'll combine everything and I've added it to about half a cup of warm water. I've also added salt as per taste. I'm going to give this a good stir and allow this to steep in this water, and later on, once the masalas have steeped in the water, I'll be adding excess water diluted according to my taste and then strain it and serve it. The recipe in detail will be posted in the info box below this video, or you can always visit my blog. Blog link will be posted in the iCard above this video. Now the next pani I'm going to be preparing is ginger pani. I've already extracted ginger juice and I've reserved it in a small bowl. I'll also be adding some cumin powder, chaat masala, citric acid and black salt crystals. I'll be combining all these ingredients and I'll add it to a bowl first. I'll mix all these ingredients first. What I've done is I've taken 1 or 2 inches large ginger, ground it in a mixer jar along with 2 or 3 tablespoons of water, and using a small cheesecloth you can strain it. So you'll extract ginger juice. So that's how you prepare ginger juice. Once all the ingredients are combined in the bowl, I've added half a cup of water and salt as per taste. I'm going to allow this to steep, and later on I'll be straining it and diluting it according to my taste. While my Asafoetida pani and ginger pani are steeping, I'm going to prepare lemon pani. I've already extracted and reserved lemon juice. I'll be using pepper powder, cumin powder, black salt crystals and chaat masala powder. Like all the other panis that I'm preparing, I'm going to combine this lemon pani in a mixing bowl with all the ingredients. Salt as per taste. You can also add sugar according to your preference, and I'll add half a cup of warm water. I'll again allow all the ingredients to steep in this lemon pani and then dilute it according to my taste. So I'm going to allow it to steep in this warm water for 15 minutes. Cover it and leave it on the kitchen counter. You can prepare all these panis ahead of time, and you can store this in the refrigerator and dilute it and strain it and serve it to your preference. Now while all the other panis are steeping, I'm going to start preparing garlic pani. For garlic pani, I've already reserved garlic pods. I'll be using little bit of garam masala, cumin powder, chaat masala, chili powder, pepper powder, citric acid and black salt crystal. All these ingredients will be listed in the description box below this video. You need not worry, or I'll be posting it on my blog. Blog link will be in the iCard above this video. Now I'm going to add all the ingredients to a mixer jar and grind it along with salt as per taste. Now once the chutney has ground, I'll be adding little bit of water to this and allow this to steep in that warm water. I'll leave it in the mixer jar itself since I'm going to be straining it and serving it right away. Now this will steep for 15 minutes. While grinding the chutney, you can add a splash of water and grind the chutney into a smooth paste. Now while my garlic pani is getting ready, I'm going to prepare coriander and mint pani. This is already posted in my blog and video. Anyways, I'm redoing it. I'm using coriander and mint chutney, chaat masala powder, pepper powder, cumin powder, citric acid and black salt crystals. So I'm going to combine all of these ingredients again in a mixing bowl along with salt as per taste. I'll add half a cup of warm water Give this a good stir and allow this to steep. You can serve all these panis warm or you can serve it cold. It's as per your preference. I like to serve my pani warm because the flavor and taste enhances when it's served warm, and it is already steeping into a strong tea format, so it is tasty when it's served warm. Now while all my other panis are steeping, I'm going to start preparing the tamarind pani. The tamarind pani is very simple. I've already shown you the tamarind chutney. I'll be using the tamarind chutney, some chaat masala powder, cumin powder, black salt crystals, and citric acid crystals. If you cannot find citric acid, you can leave that out. You can use lime juice. Now I'm going to combine all these ingredients in a mixing bowl and add very less amount of citric acid because the tamarind is already very sour. You should add very less amount of citric acid. Just about a small pinch, that's about it. Not more than that. Now once I have combined all the ingredients, I am going to add warm water and allow this pani to steep. Cover it and allow it to steep for 15 minutes. Now the next pani I am going to prepare is Rasam Pani. This is my own creation. I've come up with this combination. It turned out really good. Now I've crushed and reserved garlic and chilies. I'll be using cumin powder, pepper powder, citric acid crystals, black salt crystals, and chaat masala powder. I'm going to combine all the ingredients in a mixing bowl along with salt as per taste. Add warm water and allow this to steep. This Rasam Pani turned out really good. I'm going to prepare it again. You can also add curry leaves to enhance the flavor and taste. Now the final pani I'm going to prepare is Cumin Pani. I've reserved cumin powder, citric acid crystals, black salt crystals, and chaat masala powder. I've combined all the ingredients in a mixing bowl along with half a cup of water. I'm going to add salt as per taste. Allow this masalas to steep in the water for half an hour or up to 15 minutes. Then strain it, add excess water, dilute it according to my taste, and I'll be serving it warm. Now let's prepare the filling for the Pani Puris. I've boiled and crumbled and reserved potatoes, cooked and reserved black chickpeas, finely chopped onion, lime, chaat masala powder, cumin powder, and chili powder. I will be combining all the ingredients. First the potato, cooked and reserved chickpeas, then the onions, and later on I'll be adding the lime juice and the masala powders. The recipe in detail is posted on my blog, friends, or you can visit the info box below this video. I'll post the blog link in the iCard above this video as well. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links will be in the description box below this video. The same recipes are also posted in YouTube channel. You can subscribe to me on YouTube channel as well. Now once the filling is ready, I'm going to fill it inside the puris. But before that, I'm going to start straining all the panis that I prepared, and I'm going to dilute it according to my taste. I'll be diluting this panis with half a cup of extra water or diluting it according to my taste. Now I'll start serving the puris and the pani. I'm going to start creating a cavity in this puri. This puri is papdi puri. I've not used suji puri for this recipe. The papdi puris hold up better. I've created a cavity in the puri and I'm going to start filling it out with the potato filling, and I'll serve it with the panis that I've created. Now once I finish filling all the puris, I'm going to start serving the panis as well. I've diluted the pani and I'm going to serve it in the serving glass. I'll finally be garnishing these panis with bundi, and I've gone ahead and served it. This turned out really good, friends. I'll post the detailed recipe in the info box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. All the links to my social media will also be in the description box below this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe or review video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for